Hello, my name is Ralph Peffer from Solarpower Portugal. I want to explain you today how a solar system works. This project is called the Solar Trailer because we made this project to go to schools to show the pupils how a solar system works. It's always better when the kids stand in front of the system and have a close look how all the components work together. So we have here the collector is a 20 tube evacuated tube collector that transfers the solar radiation into heat, and on top you see the receptor that transfers the heat to a medium like water or glycol mixture and always circles around with the help of this pump. It goes down, passes on top over the tube, goes back into the tank. And here in the tank there is a heat exchanger that heats up the water in this tank, and from there it goes back to the pump. If this tank has a certain temperature, it will switch over to use the radiator to show how much heat the system gives. So actually you can use that system not just to heat your domestic water, you can as well heat your house with it. The vacuum tube collector is so effective and efficient that he performs even in bad weather conditions. And today it's a bit cloudy, as you can see. And even so, we reach temperatures of 150 degrees on the tubes. This thing is the controller, and it's the main unit of the system. That means it controls the speed of the pump. And the liquid, when it circulates slower, it heats up more. So it will always get the most efficient point for your system. The radiator is just there to show how much heat comes out. So when people can touch it, or the kids touch it, they can see how hot the system can get. We stick the thermometer in this evacuated tube to see how much temperature you can reach in the sun. And actually it's now for 45 minutes outside. We have 160 degrees, but in clear weather conditions it goes up to 260. We use a PV panel to generate the electricity for this pump unit. That means the trailer is self-sufficient and can go anywhere even without any alimentation. So that means we can show it in schools and on public events. And it is much better if people see the thing working in front of them as when they just see it on a paper. So for educational reasons, it's the best that the kids in school can go in front of it, have a look how it works, and then understand much better that the sun sends us so much energy that we can easily heat not only up our domestic water, it can also heat up the house. And we can use the domestic water to alimentate a washing machine or dishwasher, which will save us electricity because the most energy in these two machines is used to heat up water. A 20 tube vacuum system is absolutely enough for one family, and you will have a return of your investment in around 4 to 5 years maximum. In the winter, even on cloudy and unfavorable weather conditions, we can produce enough energy to heat our house and heat all the hot water for our domestic needs.